The Desert Warriors. In the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, a small village named Al-Qamar stood on the edge of a vast desert. The villagers lived peacefully under the protection of their noble leader, Sheikh Amir. However, their tranquility was shattered when a fierce warlord, Khalid the Conqueror, set his sights on Al-Qamar. Khalid's army, known for its brutality, advanced swiftly, threatening to engulf the village. Sheikh Amir, determined to protect his people, gathered his finest warriors. Among them was Layla, a skilled archer, and Tariq, a master swordsman. They devised a plan to defend their home, knowing they were outnumbered but driven by a fierce resolve. As the sun set, casting a golden hue over the desert, the battle began. Layla's arrows flew true, finding their marks, while Tariq's sword danced through the enemy ranks. The villagers, inspired by their courage, joined the fight, turning the tide against Khalid's forces. In the heart of the battle, Sheikh Amir faced Khalid. Their duel was fierce, the clash of steel echoing across the sands. With a final, powerful strike, Amir disarmed Khalid, forcing him to surrender. The village of Al-Qamar rejoiced, their bravery and unity having saved them from destruction. From that day on, the story of the Desert Warriors became a legend, a testament to the strength and resilience of those who stand together against tyranny.